Also due to our train, because Taylor did it on a tour and it made me want to do it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it.